Understanding heavy shower in English. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore the phrase, heavy shower, a term that's often used in weather forecasts. Understanding such phrases is not just about expanding your vocabulary, but also about getting a clearer picture of daily conversations and news. So, let's dive into the meaning and usage of heavy shower. A heavy shower refers to a short period of intense rainfall. The word heavy indicates that a significant amount of rain falls in a brief time, which can sometimes lead to sudden flooding in areas. Unlike continuous rain, showers start and stop quickly and are usually of a shorter duration. This phrase is commonly used by meteorologists when predicting weather. For instance, they might say, expect heavy showers in the afternoon, which means you should prepare for a brief but potent downpour. It's also used in daily conversations, especially when discussing plans that might be affected by the weather. Heavy showers can have various impacts. They can refresh the air, water gardens, or, on the flip side, cause disruptions like traffic delays or outdoor event cancellations. It's important to understand this phrase so you can plan your activities accordingly and stay safe during sudden changes in weather. I hope this video has helped you understand what a heavy shower is and how to use the term in context. Remember, learning such phrases enriches your English and helps you communicate more effectively. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more language tips.